Hello guys, and welcome back Caleb's Nature Channel. It's Christmas Eve, and I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. Today, I thought I would include you all in a tradition of mine. 1 cup fruit punch. 1 bag of pretzels mashed up with granola, Sour Patch Kids, and 1 slice butter for the reindeer. The butter is fat because they've been exercising and they need nutrients. So join me in setting out food for the reindeer. Come on. Now it's a little cold out here. It's 10 degrees, but the reindeer gotta eat, right? This is plenty space for the reindeer to run over here. So I'm gonna set the cup here for the reindeer to drink because they can land here. Hold on, the ground's frozen. Fruit punch for reindeer. And if you want to look in here, Sour Patch Kids and a stick of butter and granola, and it's nice, good, sugary energy for the reindeer. Make a nice little circle pile, and then make sure the butter's on the top of the reindeer to entice them. That's all. Thank you for watching Caleb's Nature Channel, and I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas.